The following is a presentation of Barry Vision Productions.
Today we are on Central Avenue, just off of Kingston Spring Road, near where all the plazas are, and we are at Sonia's home style cooking. This is the place where you come when you want the real Jamaican home style cooking food. We're going to go check it out and see what's cooking in the kitchen. In the kitchen at Sonia's home style restaurant, a very busy kitchen right here in the heart of Halfway Tree. And let me tell you, this is going to be some good food. Now we're going to talk to Ms G. Ms G, how you doing?
I am blessed and highly favored.
Well, listen, what we're preparing today?
Wow, saltfish puree.
Saltfish puree?
Yes. That's another way you enjoy saltfish, which is healthy.
Okay.
Old country way of having a snack with saltfish and crackers.
Okay.
You can eat with bread, you can eat with the fried dumpling. All roti.
Okay.
So we're going to just get attitude with saltfish today.
Saltfish. Now listen, let me tell you about saltfish. My granny tell me from a time when saltfish used to shingle out. You know about that?
No, we can't have money if you have a system.
Alright, you know it's part of a song, but we will leave that one alone, right?
No, you can't sing no song.
No, inside there. Alright, so make we start to cook. No, make we start to cook. What and what we have here today?
Right. You have some onion.
Onion.
Already washed and peeled.
Okay.
Can you use knife?
Yes, I think I can. Okay.
We want to ask, you know. You are going to cut your tomato. You don't have to julienne it or nothing, you know. Just do the Jamaican way.
Jamaican way.
You look tight.
Me look tight? Alright, you see it? So we're just going to cut this up?
Yeah, let's cut it up. Just, we don't have no style.
We don't have no style. Right. It's the regular little home style.
Right.
The home style.
Home style.
Alright, yes.
In the meantime, I'm going to just blanch my vegetable.
Okay, and what vegetables do you have over there?
Carrot that are julienne, some broccoli.
Carrot, broccoli.
Cauliflower. So, I just go and blanch it like I just...
You have a little water there boiling and you're blanching it.
Boiling, right.
Okay, alright.
No salt.
You're cooking healthy?
Yes.
How you want the onion?
Cut the onion. Let me show you my style.
Show me the Sonia style. Show me the Sonia style. No, it's not like right there.
We need chunks of onions.
Okay.
See?
That's it? Yeah. Just the big chunks?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You know, it's a good thing. You show me because it's dice me. I was going to dice them, you know.
Alright,
so, let me see what else we have going on over there. You're blanching some veggies.
I'm blanching something.
This look good? This can pass the test?
Yeah, you pass.
Alright, good. Okay, good.
Cut up little pepper.
So Scotch bonnet. Right. No Jamaican meal can't do without the Scotch bonnet, right?
I mean, I love it doing that. No.
Oh, well,
really
me know the story behind that.
All right.
Okay.
This is my saltfish.
Okay, so you boil.
That is already pre-soaked.
Soak it.
And scald.
Okay, and that get out some of the salt. Okay. We don't want the blood pressure thing go up. Okay, alright. And this is...
Leave my secret then.
Alright.
Secret then.
Okay.
Alright, we have little black pepper here.
Black pepper, alright.
This.
The Scotch bonnet. Right. So
we
you have red pepper.
Bell pepper. Green bell pepper. I don't have some yellow, but it will run out.
Okay. It's like a red, green, and gold thing, but alright.
Yes.
Some tomatoes. Onions.
Right. And with saltfish.
And
okay. Secret ingredients.
Okay.
So this ready, you know?
That's it. And where you put that now?
See? This is where I put it. I just take it out. And I'm going to hold this and it don't drip and nasty over the kitchen.
Okay.
And here we go.
You drain it right into that pan. Okay. Alright. Sound good. Good. Now you have the hot skillet.
Yeah, we have the hot skillet. I need like a tablespoon of fresh oil. I could use palm, but it don't make no sense. Then I show you how we do our garlic.
Want to do the fancy garlic?
Fancy garlic.
Alright.
In the meantime, let me get a tube of oil.
Alright, get your oil and make we see. You just grate the garlic. Whoa.
Trash go one side and the garlic skin inside.
Oh, okay. Do that again. Just take the head of garlic, grate it. Trash go one way.
Yes.
Garlic is this way. Okay. All right. Hot tip. You see how you can do garlic without all the peeling and the stuff? Head of garlic, and you just give it a quick shake. All of the skin go one way, and you have the garlic the other way.
We do over the stove now.
Okay.
A tubes of oil. Remember we just want...
Tubes.
Right.
You sure that is a tube?
A tubes, man, because I'm going to show you how the tubes are going to see them.
Okay. All right.
All right, so we're going to start here now.
And what
all right.
we're doing. So you're starting with garlic.
The tomato and onion.
Onion,
all
right.
Put a little there.
Save some.
Right. So we're going on the skillet now.
So you have,
remember we have saltfish puree.
Saltfish puree.
All right, you turn on your fire. All right. Because you just have saute the thing.
Just get a little thing, bring out the flavor from the seasoning.
So all of this now, we have saute everything.
Saute.
See them pretty in the pot?
Yes, look good. Them look good.
At that time now, we have a saltfish.
Okay.
Pre-soak.
Pre-soak.
And pick up. And rinse it, you know.
Rinse and everything, so it's not too salt.
No, it's not too salt.
Okay. All right.
You remember the water we use to blanch the thing?
Blanch it, yes.
All right. All right.
Take a little of the vegetable thing.
Right.
Okay.
All right.
So you just make that go on simmer now.
Oh, you don't tell me even smell nothing.
You know what? It smells good. You get all of the, you know what's smelling more than anything else? The bell pepper then.
And the garlic.
And all the seasoning. And this is with some
secret
water
ingredients.
and the secret ingredient. All right. We won't ask no question. We just know it's the secret ingredient gone in.
Exactly.
All right. And this still going here.
Right. You remember when you come in, you see the broccoli,
the broccoli, and that was the veggies that you blanched.
Yeah, but see how well you can.
One there. You want to see me stir it up?
Right.
All right, Miss G.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes.
There you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. And you know what? This look like a real healthy meal.
And a Jamaican food we are talking about.
Oh, Lord. So we stir it up a little bit.
You can eat with dumpling, yam, rice, and it can eat so.
So.
And I will show you how you get gravy. Remember saltfish and we get gravy?
Little more, and you make the veggies then just kind of crisp, you know, really make them get too soft.
Too soft, so
right.
You shake it. How do you?
Shape me teeth.
Get attitude with it.
This is real healthy saltfish, vegetables with some red bell peppers, onion, garlic, and we're just simmering it with some hot water. We're going to take a quick break right here on My Likkle Food Spot. We're in the kitchen at Sonia's home style. We're cooking some saltfish puree. We just seasoned it up and cooked it. It is some garlic, tomatoes, onions, a secret ingredient, plus some veggies, bell peppers and some veggies that were sauteed. Just about ready now because we don't want the veggies to come too soggy. Right.
So we're making a little sauce.
Okay.
All right? I remember I tell you can't eat with dumpling, we don't want to get rice, everything. See?
So you just get a little kind of gravy it up a little bit.
Gravy. And you want me used to make my gravy?
Tell me, because I'm interested. Whisper it. All right, yes, that sounds good. Me will share that. Only when me try this now, all right?
But you have to taste it, you know?
Yeah, man. All right, we have a little sample thing. Yes. It's ready for taste?
Yes, man.
We can
just take it off the fire now, man.
Take it off so that the veggies don't get too, All right. We have crunchy veggies here. Piece of saltfish. Home run.
Wow. You have to taste the broccoli because maybe you never eat broccoli with saltfish and them thing. And
this is tasting good. Saltfish, you know saltfish is a basic thing.
But taste it and tell me.
With the broccoli now.
Broccoli is crunchy, man.
Yes.
What do you think?
Like a gravy thing where you add make it nice, you know.
Wow. So you see, I don't only can saltfish, you can cook and saltfish and callaloo.
Right.
So,
like an onion
oh,
and
it's
thing.
on. Hooray! I tell you. And that's how the attitude coming.
This good. Now, me hear your thing start off with a little snow cone card
On the beginning.
and some potato pudding. How that did go? Tell me about that.
Yeah, we start cook. Start off with 2 pudding and a sky juice card.
Right.
Right. Let me tell you the real thing now. Was working at this place and then lay way off. Now my husband get lay off. So me can bake potato pudding and him decide for come and help
With the sky
with the sky juice card.
Okay.
But you know, I remember sky juice card, they just take over town.
Yes,
Another
yes.
thing later go on.
Right, right.
So me just tell him, so just stop that and make me do some cooking. So
Right.
we put on $5 a day out of the pudding
The
money.
pudding money, $5.
And I started off with $45.
Okay.
Man, I sell 12 lunch a day. The next day I go out, I sell 18. I'm just like climb with the
It's a
taxi
double
man
up.
and I can't even tell you. It just happened.
It just get big.
Just get big because, you know, I think when you have put Christ first, whatever you put your hands to and your heart
Okay.
still.
Right,
At that
right.
time I raised my children and it was hard.
It was hard.
Him just multiply it and increase it like the 5 loaves
The
and the
5 loaves, and your
2
faith
fishes.
just make you move on.
Yeah. So from there, this is where me end up.
And you end up
Only
with
if I
this.
struggle doing, you know, but
I
I'm not the things say.
It easy.
Oh,
Now, me here saying 2005, them name me as the matriarch of the Jamaican table.
I can't hear
That
you.
not make you feel good.
When it come out, I couldn't pronounce the word. And I never know what the word means.
Okay.
Because I go to my son and put it in my school.
So them tell you about
And
it.
tell me about it. And
Yep.
after a while, it hit me. I said, what?
Are you that?
Man, me all in a green all over foreign. But God is good.
God is good.
God is good.
Miss G, we're going to take a short break. Come back and we'll fix it again.
We're going to do another saltfish
Another
thing.
saltfish thing?
I'll show you how you can have saltfish with a snack and it just ready and healthy.
Okay.
Same way.
All right.
All right.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back on My Likkle Food Spot. We're at Sonia's home-style restaurant, a real popular place where all the locals come when they want the real Jamaican home-style cooking. Miss G, going to show us how to prepare a saltfish appetizer, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh, you know the thing that won't make me that trouble for you.
All right, so
All right, this
Take
is
it
one that
away.
we're not going to use the stove
Okay.
top for.
All right, good.
So anybody can have it.
Anybody have this? Okay.
Right.
Okay.
You know, say garlic is good.
Very good for your
All right.
health-wise, and I
All right.
like you cooking healthy.
All right.
Yes.
So we use a little garlic. Some people don't like, you know, but why? I love
You
garlic.
love garlic.
Sometimes I
Good
have
for the
bread
heart.
smell like garlic.
And that no wrong with that.
No, because I love it
You
and
love
it's
it.
healthy. So
Right.
you would chop up one piece of this onion fine.
Fine, fine.
Yeah, man. How you finger do?
No, man.
All right.
You like my knife skill?
Yes.
All right. Yes, it look like me know me I do.
Like you should have gone like say you can't cook that. But I like that, you know. You hide something from me, not true?
No, man.
All right, we have a garlic and a little pinch of onion.
Okay.
This is a saltfish.
All right, and again, you soak that.
I pre-soak it, I pick it up, and I rinse it.
Okay.
Here we
Not
go
too
again.
salt.
Not too salt.
Okay, then.
Right.
Stay away
But remember,
from the
this
high
is not
blood
stove
pressure.
top.
Right.
Right. This is my tomato.
Tomato.
You know, say tomato, you know, so you can just
You can
rock
get
it. And it's
tomato.
good for men, you know.
Good for men. I know.
Oh, you're not sure?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The prostate thing.
Aren't you? All right, this is a tomato.
Psychopene, right.
A little of the scotch bonnet pepper.
Okay.
Right? All right, a little black pepper.
Little
You know,
black
me never
pepper.
put no black
No.
pepper in my ure.
Right,
Could
right.
I never, you know?
No black
This
pepper.
is just
no
a
way.
flavor.
Just
So
the
this is a
flavor.
pinch, right?
Pinch, right.
Finely
Okay.
ground.
And
This is
that
cucumber,
cucumber.
right? And a little green bell pepper on the
Green
side.
bell. Okay. That look good.
Right.
Okay.
You wonder what I'm going to do now?
We kind of have an idea.
This is vinegar.
Okay.
That good too, you know.
That is
You
another
can use
good
a
thing.
side of vinegar. So
And
I'm
it-
taking, I'm using 2.
Like a little.
I might cook spoon of it.
Okay.
All right.
Good, good, good.
Hot tip.
Know the action.
Nobody never teach me how to shake, but me I go shake. Shake.
As them say, go shake what your mama give, right? Okay.
You do it, man, because you
Let me
there.
give you a little without some rhythm.
Me I tell you.
You know what I mean?
Shake it out. All right.
Okay.
Mix it up, you know.
Mix it up. And it's not mix up and blender.
No, no, mix up and blender. I want you to see how it look.
Nice.
You see?
You get all the colors.
All the colors.
And the saltfish mixing right
Right.
there.
And this is the appetizer of the saltfish.
Okay then. Now you're serving.
Can you your crackers?
Serve that
Can
with
you do
some
it bread?
bread, crackers.
Fried dumpling.
You know a good time to serve this? When the friend them come over with a little one drink and thing.
Oh, you know so.
You know, and you just
Me I tell you.
no even cooking
No
necessary.
cooking. Sometimes everyone go in the kitchen. Because you don't get your hot. Like how me hot
like how you're hot. Me can
How
see
that me
your
I
hot.
talk about. So we want you to taste it again.
Alright.
So we're moving over to get a little taste plate.
Okay. While she get the taste plate, let me tell you, this place is where all the Jamaican folks in town come and get lunch, breakfast, Sunday brunch. Oh, and listen, here she tell you she started off with a pudding. Well, the desserts here are just delightful. People kill for the sweet potato pudding, the cassava pudding, cornmeal pudding,
banana pudding.
You know me not live without me taste some of that.
What?
And me
You're late, man.
me hear about the cow foot, so you have to tell me about that little more. Okay, all right.
Jamaican thing.
Okay.
All right. You know something I feel like feed you?
Whoa. You know it's the first that
I first you taste, you get feed?
from me I do the show.
Eh.
No chef never feed me like that.
Voila, married? I may have some big son stuff.
So nobody think about nothing.
No.
All right. Miss G.
How this tastes?
This is one of the appetizers them that anybody would love.
All right.
Here we go. The vinegar give it a little acidity and tang.
Right.
And then
Cucumber with a little flavor.
Cool
you can
flavor.
Put more bell pepper and more scotch bonnet, you know, but may I tell you the honest truth, I'm allergic to pepper.
The pepper now is not too much, but it just give a little. You know what I mean? Just jolt you a little bit. This one no kick, it does jolt you a little
Alright,
bit. You know what I mean? So.
But me not give you this because I eat for my dinner.
Alright. Me know cow foot about some place.
Okay.
So we will take that.
You
But
put this up on it.
put that up.
Cool
You can hold that
in
for
the
your dinner.
fridge. All right.
All right.
So we're going to move away and I'm going to show you how I do my cow food.
While you do that, we are going to take a short break, and when we come back, whole food right here at Sonia's home style cooking and my Likkle food spot.
Jamaican men especially and the older folks like myself love cow food.
Cow food, right.
But it's not easy to prepare, you know.
Take a lot of work.
Right, a lot of work. You have to swinge it.
Yes.
And all of that. So let me show you how I swinge my one.
Right.
I use my hand.
Right.
I have a sharp fork, I'm getting a somewhere there. Because cow food actually a pure bone.
Pure bone.
Turn up my stove.
Turn up your...
I'm going to swinge my cow food.
Swinge up so that get off the hair.
All of the hair
off of the food. Okay.
All of the hair. And then they give it a flavor.
And then it kind of burn it and give it a little flavor.
Yeah, a nice little flavor.
Okay, nice.
So when we do this, we prepare.
Little prep thing, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man.
And you get that off.
Drop that off.
So swinge all of this.
Swinge all of this, right? But cow food do not cook in a minute or two.
Takes a while.
It takes a while. If you want somebody to enjoy cow food. So already slow cook.
And then some people pressure it. That kind of...
no man, if you know your time, you can pressure it. Because gas expensive now, I tell you the honest truth, nobody really now.
Do the long way.
No sir.
Use like a pressure
cooker. No slow cook business. And some people are electric, them have a use.
Right.
Me can tell you something about electric. Alright.
Good.
So we pre-do a little.
After you Singe him,
wash him off.
wash him, clean him up.
Right, and
then
me make my sauce. And me start putting some scallion and thyme and make it cook down with it.
Cook down a little bit.
Right, after it boil down,
everything
this is how it
fine
look when
and
it
look.
cook,
Okay,
right? I don't use the canned bean.
Oh, no.
There are some people who don't tilt things. It's not
them.
something that they can tolerate.
Right.
So what I do, I boil my bean, store my bean in my fridge.
Okay. So you have your bean
so
ready.
I have my bean ready.
Okay.
So
your bean ready?
The bean ready. What do you see there?
And you add
It's comfortable bean. I add my broad bean, that is natural broad bean.
Broad beans.
I'm throw some more of the little onion
and a little touch up the seasoning.
Because seasoning is already
right,
so
but that cook out is a long, slow cook.
Yeah, man. Then when you do this now,
kind of just make that cook down a little bit more.
Right, food well cooked.
Well cooked.
That's
and
right.
you just cook that down a little bit more.
Little bit more. And while we cook, you know, I notice the people, them love the cold food and then complain, say, it have a whole heap of bone.
But cold food is bone.
Like that still too.
Right.
And then them don't body no want the hoof.
The hoof.
But when me go buy, then give me the hoof.
But
and you know, so only that part of it can chew and suck out.
Right.
Yeah, man. Don't let the hoof, they have a nice little juice.
You ever make the cold food jelly?
Yeah, but me give my sons them.
Oh, because it's special.
Yes.
Do like a thing.
Yes. See how them chopped it?
Big and strong.
Sunday evening time, man, me always at them look forward with that cold food jelly.
All right.
And it can make juice, you know.
Make juice?
Yeah, man.
Like a lime?
No, man.
No?
It's same as how the jello make, but you know, make it.
Oh, you don't put it in the fridge and make it.
With crushed ice and make them drink it.
Okay.
See, there now your cold food come together and turn together.
Turn on your stove. Serve that with some rice and peas.
Why? Rice and peas, plain rice. I love it to the plain rice.
Love it because the bean get it.
Our day, man.
All right.
Right. So, we're ready, you know, ready to go. Ready to go.
So, we have cold food
and bean.
Seasoned down, well seasoned.
Yes.
We have some pumpkin rice.
Right.
And we're going to just take this straight from the pot.
Right.
Let me tell you, this is bubbling, steamy, nice and gooey, jelly.
Sure.
You know.
Properly cooked.
Properly cooked.
That's right.
I'm telling you. Now we have some of the pumpkin rice. Miss G, I haven't this, you know.
What?
I haven't it.
God, your mouth sweetie, man.
No, the food sweet, Miss G. The food sweet. Cold food with some pumpkin rice. And you know, you can't end a meal like this without you wash it down with a bigger soda. May I tell you. Delicious. I'm Eddy Edwards. Join me again next week as we take another gastronomical journey on my little food spot.
Next week on My Little Food Spot.
This is gonna be a real nice jerk sausage.
Head part.
People eat the head.
What?
And you get inside also,
Yeah,
right?
you go inside.
After stuffing that fish, I must get this pepper off. You know what? Teeth piece of this chicken about other, but them cleaver.
No man, me not chop man, so you can't take up all cookie.